first one, which type of copy sells the most? Go look at Upwork and see what people are actually paying copywriters for right now. You're going to see the top things that I've seen in 2026 so far for what people are actually paying for, what business owners are actually paying for, right? Don't rely on people who say copywriting is dead, AI is taking over, and all these things. And, oh, I can tell you what copy sells based on my opinion. It's like, just go look at the data and go look at what listings are on Upwork. There's 5 million business owners on that platform. They will tell you what they will pay for. It's a really good sign. And you know what they're paying for the most? Emails, ads, and blog posts. Of everything I've seen so far in 2026, right? Emails, ads, and blog posts. Yes, I know blog posts are more so content. It's up to you what kind of copy you write. But this is what I'm seeing that business owners are demanding the most so far in 2026. Emails, ads, blog posts. And you know what the funny thing is about all three of those? You can get retainers for all of them because every single month, right? People don't, and now you can go be a sales page copywriter and make a killing. Like, it's harder, but if you do it well, you can get revenue share deals. You get it for the right company. You have the highest income potential. It's harder to land clients overall, but if you crush it as a copywriter, you get a 10% revenue share deal on a sales page and that sales page kills it, you can make the most of any income, most income of any kind of copy, hands down. But these are the things I'm seeing the most. Next to that, I would say is social media ghostwriting. So like emails, ads, blog posts, social media ghostwriting, social media management, whatever, especially LinkedIn. Those are the four things that I'm seeing the most in terms of like what business owners are actually actively hiring copywriters for on a retainer basis. So you don't just do a one and done project like a website copy or a sales page or whatever. They hire you to write their blogs, emails, social media, or ads, and they pay you every month for it ongoing. So you only need 2 to 5 clients at 1 to 3K per month. You're making 10K per month. Easy. Like, so those are the things that are like, and you can just go verify this. Go to Upwork and just type in copywriter and just go look, right? Don't rely on people's opinions about copywriting and how this stuff works. Go look at the data. The data shows it's growing from $28 billion to $42 billion as a service industry in the next 4 years. It's going to grow by 60%. Like, copywriting is majorly in demand. Go to Upwork, look at what business owners are actually hiring for.